know, we're gonna get straight into it. Welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious chicken and shrimp rice. I know most of us do our grocery shoppings on the weekends, and I unfortunately I didn't because I was very busy. But I scraped up every single thing I had left in my refrigerator and decided to throw something together. So to my chicken, this is one small chicken breast that I had in the bottom of the freezer, and I'm seasoning it up with Misha's Corners. It's lit lemon pepper and spicy girl. If you don't have that in your cabinet, I don't know what you're doing. You need to order up, okay? Next, I'm gonna season the plump, beautiful shrimp with both spices, and this is how they look. Spicy Girl is low in sodium, and its lit lemon pepper just has that nice good lemon kick with all the herbs and garlic down in there. So I really like the combination on both the chicken and the and the shrimp. So to my hot skillet, I'm going to add my chicken. Now don't be like me and burn your butter, okay? Well, it's not burnt, it's browned. Ignore it. Act like you don't even see it. Don't burn yours. So now I'm just gonna sear off my chicken on one side, and then I'm gonna add the celery and the shallots on top, as well as the garlic and jalapeno. You could add whatever veggies you prefer, but again, this is what I had left in my house. So I'm going to toss everything together. Yes, I know the chicken is not all the way cooked. It will be cooked at the end of this because, it has to cook with the rice. So it's definitely going to be cooked. All right, so I added the rice. As you can see, it's definitely washed. I'm not making a lot, you guys. This is just a serving for like 2 people. And I'm just going to saute this up just like I'm doing here, cooking it down for about 5 minutes. And now I'm going to season it up. And all I'm going to use is some smoked paprika and some chicken bouillon powder. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so make sure you look out for that. I hope I don't sound too congested to you guys. I have been going outside and being more active lately, so pardon me for that. I know y'all don't like when I apologize for it, but I know, it can be annoying. But let me know below. So now I'm going to add my water to the pot, as well as the thyme that I showed you guys earlier, and as well as the shrimp. As you can see, the shrimp is added last minute. Now you want to mix this up. Make sure you're on medium-high heat to begin with so that everything can come to a boil. Your pot should be boiling and simmering before you cover it and turn it down. So you want to turn it down, cover it, and allow it to cook to the directions on the back of your rice package, or 10 minutes. But it all depends on the rice that you use. This is why I always tell y'all to follow the directions on the back. So I finished the rice with some lime juice, and now I'm going to fluff it up. Look at this, y'all. I know y'all tired of me cooking this seafood and I can't eat it. I'm allergic to all shellfish, but the people in my life, they love shrimp, they like lobster, and so of course I'm gonna do it. But this looks amazing. It was so easy to make, not a lot of pots and pans, and this and that going on. You just toss every single thing in one pot and you're good to go. This recipe can be doubled, tripled, potlucks. It holds pretty well, and you'll be good to go. It's just so easy to make, and I just hope you guys give it a try. And if you do, make sure you take pictures and tag me and let me know what you think. I'll serve this up with some salad on the side. You can use whatever you want. You could go however direction you want. You could even put this in a tortilla or a burrito with some cheese and you're good to go. Some avocado would have been great here as well. So you guys for watching, and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what you thought down below. And again, if you try, let me know what you think. Love you guys. Bye.